like right at the edge. Okay, we're gonna start our hike. Look how the sun is right there. Boop. We gotta get down there. Is this a dam, you think? An old cabin from like 1912. Whoa, shit! Oh, let me raise my pants up.
It's not ice cold.
No, it's not ice cold, no. Okay. Okay. Oh, feels good. You wanna get in? So we have to go through here. Oh shit. Eat. Okay. Don't do that one? Okay. Oh, you're all the way in there. Angeles Mountains. In less than an hour, back at the ocean.